Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. For this Christmas in July video, I am sharing how I made wine charms. They are made out of paper, so they're very easy to make. After the party, you're able to just toss them. If they get wet, you could toss them. No big deal. These are just wine charms, and they're came out very cute. As I was making these, I kept in mind that this may get messed up. This may get ripped. It may get stained. It may get wet. And I wanted to be okay with that if it happened and be okay with throwing it away. Make sure you keep that in mind if you plan to do this too. So in order to make it, get the glass that you plan to use them on. Get out a couple circle dies. And you want to choose a circle die that just is smaller than the base of the glass. And you want to do that because you want to make sure that when you do put this charm on the glass that it fits nicely. Plus you will be decorating it, so you don't want it to overhang too much. I'm using scrapbook paper to make the ring portion of my little charm, which is actually a wreath, as you can see. And this scrapbook paper just came from the scrapbook pad that I've been using for the other projects that I've been sharing on the video series. And then for the leaves, I did use some more scrapbook paper I'll share in a minute, and then this scrap piece of white cardstock where I just swiped some ink, splashed it with water, and then sprayed it with some shimmer spray. So there's more of that scrapbook paper that I had. Here are the dies from Cartabella. This is an older die. I like this die because it's very useful. Not just for Christmas projects too. So I just used the two smaller dies and of course the berries. And the berries I cut out using some more scraps from the scrapbook paper pad that I'm using. So now on camera I'm going to share how you should slice the wine charms once you have it all assembled. I'm sharing this because it is important. And rather than slicing it directly like that, you don't want to do that. You do want to cut at an angle and also towards the side. I have noticed and have experienced the wine charms kind of slipping off because it is heavier on one side, so it's going to naturally hang as you see it there. And so you want something to hold it around that stem of the glass. So that's why you just slice it off to the side and at an angle. That angle will help keep it on the glass as well. So that's the end of my project share. I hope you've been enjoying my Christmas in July video series. I hope this gives you inspiration to make your Christmas projects, gifts, and whatever else that you have in mind. Please, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please consider being a subscriber to my channel. Thanks, and until next time.